approximately, I gotta get my glasses. It says your mystery box is valued at approximately. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So guys, I am so excited about this video. If you read from my title, we have a Poshmark makeup mystery box. I have never tried Poshmark mystery boxes and I am so excited. So if you want to see what I got, is this worth it? Then keep on watching. Alright, so let me tell you how I got this puppy right here. I had a lady named Amy. She reached out to me and asked me if she can send me one of her mystery boxes. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I get a little concerned because I do know that some people will send YouTubers better boxes so that way people will purchase, and then when they get theirs it's like, what happened? So she sent me a link to her seller's closet, or I'm not sure how you say it, and I have to tell you, all of her listings were so good, and I looked at the reviews and she had really good reviews. So I did reach back out to her and say, okay, you can send me the box, but please make sure that you send me a box that you would send to everybody. And she gave me her word, and like I said, the reviews were out of this, I mean, they were really, really good. So I will leave her closet down below. Check out the reviews, check out everything, look at the listings or the lots, I'm not sure how you say it, and then you judge for yourself. But let's see what is in here. So this is the $99 one. She has all different prices. This is her most popular one, and I believe the most expensive one. I'm not sure, but I do know this is the most popular one. Now, I had already opened this up and looked to make sure nothing was broke. Everything's packaged very nicely. I just put another little tape on here because I wanted to do a couple thumbnails, because I always forget to do thumbnails. So let me show you exactly what it looked like right there. And then it looks like this. So you have this thing. It says, cherish every moment, amen. Thank you so much for shopping my Poshmark closet. And it's Little Amy G817 is her name. Like I said, I will leave everything down below, and I love this so much. And then it says love life. Just threw it at you. All right, and then there's a little pineapple. I love little stickers. And what are these called? Not penguins. What are they? Why can't I think? Let me know down below what they are. I can't think offhand. All right, so let's open it up and see what it says. Storks? I don't know. I don't remember. So, oh, look at the pineapple. That's so cute. And it says, hi, Anne. Your $99 mystery box is valued at approximately... I gotta get my glasses, guys. You know I gotta get my glasses because sometimes I be seeing things and I want to... God, these are dirty. Remind me down below to wash these damn glasses. These are actually reading glasses. I got it from Amazon. Remind me to leave the link down below. It says, your $99 mystery box is valued at approximately $231. Wow. The Sonia Kashak, I'm not sure, brushes is $29, is a free gift. And it just says Amy, and again, it has her thing for a Poshmark. Like I said, I will leave everything down below. So then you have like these little thingy-majiggies in here. I think it's so nice, and it's packaged very well. So I'm just going to put this somewhere. So that's what it looks like when you open her up. Not too much. You know, I like to give you a little sneak peek, a little teaser, some floor play going on. All right, so this says price list. Do not open it till after unboxing if you want to be surprised. So I like that she does. That is so cool. Like I said, I never got a mystery box from Poshmark before. I always go to Amazon and stuff. So let me know if you ever tried one. I love the detail. Alright, so this is wrapped like this. It says the Sonia Kashak. Okay, so I guess this is the free gift. And is this the brush that I love, that I have, that I use every day? I'm going to be so excited. I will show you. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to open it up. And then, where's my cutter? I'm getting all excited. And I'm going to show you that I have this brush and I use it every day. It's one of my favorite powder brushes. I hope this is what it is. I think it is. Okay, so then you open her up. How the heck do you... What in the world? Oh, it's not. I thought it was. Let me go get the... It's almost like the one that I use. Let me go get the one that I use every day. And I'm going to show you. All right, the one that I got is the 124 brush. The one that I use every day is the 130 brush. I got this in an Allure box, I don't know, a year or 2 years ago, and they did like a Sonia Kashuk whole box. And, or maybe it was a Target. It was a Target beauty box. And I love this so much. It's what I use to do my under eyes, to set my foundation. Love this. And I thought this is what it is, but it's similar to it. Like, it's really pretty. So I am definitely excited. I love Sonia Kashuk brushes. All right, and then we have another one here. Let me cut the plastic off again. All right, so I got the plastic off, and let me see how you get this puppy open. This is the 148 brush. Why can't I get this? All right, so this is like a highlighter brush right here. Ooh, yes, I will definitely use this for highlighter. All right, so the free gift is this, and it values for $29. All righty, thank you. Already starting to, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here, and everything's packaged so nice. All right, so then we have this beauty blender. This is a powder pocket puff, dual-sided powder puff. Ooh, what? Let me see. Like, I'm so excited. I love mystery boxes. All right, so then we have this. So this is one of those kind of like what Tati has, you know? You'd put your finger in there, and you can kind of like, that's what I would use it for. I would definitely use it to like set my under eyes and stuff. And then you can use this side as well. I don't know what I would use that for. I have to look into it and see exactly what this is. I've never seen it, but I am really excited. All right, moving on. Everything's packaged so beautiful. I need a better knife. I gotta get one. I always forget to get one. Okay, so you just slide this out. Oh, this is from Urban Decay. It's an eyeshadow in the shade, what are you? X.
Come on. Come to mama. Come on. Don't be scared. Ooh.
All right, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty. Ooh, this would be like a good highlighter shade. Let's see. That would definitely be a good highlighter shade. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I think that's what I will use it for, highlighter. Okay, excited for that. The next thing is this thingy. Oh, this is from NARS. Okay, so this is the Blush and Bronzer Duo. This is an Orgasm and Laguna. Ooh, all right. I love the shade Laguna. And so there we go. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Look at that. All right, let me show you. It has a nice mirror. I love this bronzer shade. I think Casino is the shade that is like my favorite because it's a little bit darker than this one, but it's so pretty. There we go. Yes, okay, all right. So then we have this. Let's cut her open. I love the fact that how she packages is everything. I mean, subscription boxes, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, take notice. All right, so what is you? What are you? Oh, Charlotte Tilbury, Bigger, Brighter Eyes Filter. What? And I'm telling you, if you go to her link and look at all the listings, they're all like this. Like, honest to God, oh, this is pretty. Would you look at this? This is a good, simple eye look. I've never, ever tried her eyeshadows. Oh, my God. Okay. Look at that, guys. I don't know if this is going to show up on my skin tone, but it's so, in person, it is really pretty for just that simple eye look. You know what I mean? All right. So we have that. Let me wipe my hand. All right, the next thing is, I don't know. It's wrapped up pretty good. This is, a Huda Beauty Bullet Lipstick. And you guys know I love Huda Bullet Lipsticks. And in the shade Honeymoon. And guys, you know, if you watch me, these are the shades that I like. I mean, look at the packaging. Ooh. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter than what I thought, but I like to custom do my lipstick. So that, actually, no, not really. Ooh, it feels creamy. That's pretty. That is a great nude shade. All right. I see you. I mean, it's still a lot more. And everything is like detailed that she wrapped and everything. Ooh, so we have from Laneige right here. Is this what I think it is? Yes, this is the lip balm. I have never tried have I tried the lip balm? I tried the one in the circle thing. Yes. Oh, I love Laneige stuff. All right. And I love me some lip balms. And then this is a Too Faced Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow in the shade Tiramisu. Tiramisu me? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, look at the packaging, guys. Wow. Okay. Let's see. So we have that. Let's put that puppy right here. Right there. This would be like a good lipstick color. Right? This is an eyeshadow. Let me take a gander. Yeah, it's a matte eyeshadow. Okay. Yes, I'm excited for that. I've never tried these before, but you know. Look, watermelon. You guys know I like anything watermelon. I know this is just the packaging, but you know. From Dior. What? This is a lipstick in the shade Rose. I don't think I've tried anything from Dior either. Look at the packaging. Wow. Okay, let's see. There's a doe foot. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. This packaging is stunning. I'm definitely going to put this right on my pocketbook and take it out and be like, yeah, bitches, I have a Dior lipstick. Okay, 2 more things. And we have that. Oh, this is a Tart Poreless primer. Okay, I've never tried the Poreless primers. I do like their foundation. So now I have a primer to go with it. Yes, look. All right, I'm definitely excited. And this is all stuff that I don't have. All right, I'm on the last thing. So let me take this packaging out and show you how, like, I'll keep this and I'll reuse it. So if you guys ever want a giveaway, you might see this. I mean, this is just so pretty. Like, the detail is so unbelievable pretty. All right, so we have some pineapple here. And this is from Winky Lux, a Velvet Black Mascara. Okay, I don't think I've ever tried Winky Lux mascaras. Right there. I'm not going to open up with the wand because I have so many mascaras already open. So really quick, let me show you what I got and then we'll go over prices. So we got this Winky Lux mascara. Then I got this Poreless primer. I am really excited to try this. Really, really am. You get 2 free gifts, I guess, for purchasing the $99, this hair, the $99 box. We got Dior lipstick. It's really pretty, and I've never had a Dior lipstick. We have a Too Faced Chocolate Matte Lip Eyeshadow. I got the Laneige Lip Balm. I have a Charlotte Tilbury, my first Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. We have the NARS Duo, the blush and bronzer. I have a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, not liquid lipstick, a bullet lipstick. I have a Urban Decay eyeshadow, but I will use it as a highlighter. It's gorgeous. And I got this Beauty Blender spongy thing that I'm really excited to try. Definitely. All right, so let's open this puppy up and then go over prices. Okay, so the Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff is $15. The Urban Decay Eyeshadow Singles, $20. Holy crap, I would never pay $20 for that. The Laneige Lip Balm in the scent Berry is $17, I believe that. The Huda Beauty Bullet Lipstick in the shade Honeymoon is $25. The Winky Lux So Extra Mascara is $18. The NARS Blush and Bronzer Duo is $24. The Charlotte Tilbury palette, it's called the Exaggerize palette, is $53, and Charlotte Tilbury is very expensive. The Tart Poreless Mattifying Primer is $32. The Too Faced Melted Matte Eyeshadow is $21. And then the Dior Liquid Lipstick in the shade 559 Rose is $38. So the grand total is $231. I love this so much. I love the mystery of it. It's like Christmas, but everything in here was all brand names. And like I said, honestly, that's why I will leave everything down below. All of the listings are like this, you know. It's not, she didn't just single out like a YouTuber to give her the best boxes. Honestly, I looked at it before. I even told her yes. So let me know what you think. Did you think this is worth it for $99? What did you think of the box? Is there anything in here that, you know, I don't know. I just really, me personally, I loved it. So comment down below if you like makeup mystery boxes, if you're going to try it. Let me know all the tea down below. You know, I love to hear your thoughts. And that's everything, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a like. It really does help me out. It helps YouTube put me in the algorithm. And if you enjoy makeup mystery boxes, subscription boxes, any kind of unboxing, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join the family. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on and make sure that you double tap it and have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I have a giveaway coming up next week, so make sure that you subscribe and turn that bell on. And that is everything, guys. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And that is everything, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, like I am impressed.